Hello everybody, welcome. This is William, and welcome to my channel. So you're watching a series of video about game development, and we're in the middle of Max, crazy Max game. It's like llama splitting game, and we already add a lot of visual effects to it, and finished the basic core gameplay. Currently we're at this stage, so as you can see, we can hit our enemy. And once we hit enemy, the water splashes is coming out. Okay, and once we get hit by the enemy, a different color of water splash is coming out. Okay, so enemy is using a poisonous water spit as us. So if we got hit, we got water splashes coming out. But right now, it's not so. It's not so shock. For the player, if we got hit, we just get this like the visual effect to it, so the player is not feeling anything that we got hurt. So my thought is that I'm going to add some visual effects, say shake, something like that, and when the health reach to a certain level, I'm going to completely change the say the UI a bit, and yeah, maybe I'm going to add a health bar if I get more time. So basically, is that I'm going to get the user maybe add some audio, so the player actually can feel that they are hurt, something like that. So first, let's use the shaking effects, and then visual effects, audio effects will come in later. Okay, so let's get to it. So first, let's go to script, and I am going to create a new script called I don't know, shake effect. I think this will be a shake effects. Okay, so basically adding effects will be a short for FX, and I think it's supposed to be in the FX file, because this is like the logic script here, and FX can have a specific separated folder for that. So what I'm going to do is to move it, maybe not moving it, just change it, and I will rearrange that later. Okay, double click, and so let's think about how to achieve the shake effect. So if you want to shake, basically you just want to move the camera, and I'm going to pass in the duration of the shake. So basically the shake duration will be really short, because we don't want shake all the time and the player got confused and hit on a certain enemy, and is the place that we don't want to do that. We just want a really brief duration of the shake, maybe 0.5 or maybe just 1 F, and then we're going to adding or setting a shaking like the shaking length. Alright, I don't know how to say that. It's just the magnitude of the shake, or the up and side, up, down, left and right, and all the direction. We're going to using a random number generator to actually move the camera, and then move that to the original position. Okay, so let's do that. So first, a serialized field, and that will be a float of our shake FX length, duration is good, 0.5. Okay, so the Copilot can also give you some of the best practice, so especially the naming convention. Okay, so I use a shake FX duration and the automatic generate shake FX magnitude, and it's really good. Okay, so we're going to go with it. So first we need to store the current position, at the vector 3. So original pause, that will be our original position, because we're going to go back to original position, right? So original position will be, let's grab this position by using transform and get that specific position. Okay, and so I can after I've done this shaking effects, we can go back to its original position. Okay, and yeah, I think I'm going to actually shake it by a start of it, and we update it. We don't need that actually. What I'm going to do is to using a start coroutine. Because it's like shake effects file, other file are going to call a start coroutine here. So I'm going to make it public void, and I'm going to say start shake effects. And so, well, yeah, I can call that from other file, and then I'm going to start coroutine. Yeah, and I'm going to say start effects, shake effects, and start our shake effects. So shake effects. Okay, so let's just name it shake, just for simplicity. Okay, and then I'm going to use the enumerator, and I'm going to say shake. Do I need to capitalize it? Yes, shake. Okay, so it will, yeah, not say an error with shake. Elapse time 0 whilst we got a random x and y shake. Okay, that looks pretty good. So while elapsed time, so first to declare a variable called elapsed time, and while this elapses, use a while loop. So elapsed time is increasing, and while it's less than our shake effects duration, we're going to get a x and y shake magnitude, right? Our magnitude is 0.5, so decrease that. Yeah, so just x and y axis shake. I think that's good. While position new vector, so change the position, original position. Yeah, that axis we do not need to change, just x and y. Change it. Yeah, and then elapsed time. Yeah, adding the time pass delta time, so it's frame irrelevance. And yield, yeah, I think I'm going to use it, except I'm going to wait for the end of frame. So I'm going to return except now. I'm going to wait for the end of frame. So return wait for end of frame. Okay, so we can wait for it and turn the position back to its original position. Yeah, pretty good. So just X and Y shake. Okay, so I'm not sure this will work, but I'm going to make it say 2, just to make it a little bit yeah, bigger than this range. So get a drastic shake, and then I'm going to call this star shake effects from other script, and I think I'm going to add that at health. So every time the health decreases, I'm going to shake it, and I'm going to add a switch maybe, because only the player will be apply this effects. So particle system, yeah, water heat effects. I'm going to add a serialized field, and that will be a bool, so I can switch it on and off. And is enemy is shake effect. Apply, I think apply shake effect, or have shake FX. Okay, so basically I'm going to switch it on or off based on whether they have shake effect or not. So have shake effects, and then I'm going to initialize this shake effect. So shake effects will be a shake effects. Okay, so I can get hold of this shake effects by awake and not implement it. I'm going to implement that, so I'm not going to throw that. Shake FX, okay, equals to let's grab our camera dot main and dot get component, and that will be our component of shake effects. Have shake effects. Yeah, I think I'm going to using the shake effects. Okay, so yeah, I think I just got it wrong. Maybe it's called get components should be shake effects. So yeah, once you got that, we are be able to use that. So I'm going to add a new function here. So when you actually take the damage, you are not only are going to apply this water heat effects, but also are going to apply this shake effects. So shake effects. Okay, just apply this. And right now, I think we don't have a. Okay, we haven't got the shake effects. So I think maybe we're going to shake our camera. Yeah, I think maybe shake our camera or play shake effects. Maybe play shake effects just to make it different from this. Play shake effects and get it here. Okay, so play this shake effects. Play shape effects. So yeah, we have to make sure that we actually got this boolean have shake effects ticked. So if okay have shake effects boolean here is not null, and shake effects is not equal to null. Awake. Yeah, sorry, I think I got it. One thing wrong is that this have shake effects. Yeah, sorry, not this equals null, but rather this is not equal to null. So we actually attach that to it, and then this have shake effects is the switch along. So this, both of it is true, then we're going to carry out to execute. Yeah, we are going to have the shake effects because we already get hold of this shake effects. I can access that is activating by camera key components. I think it's called the start shake effects. Okay, start shake effects. Okay, and we start that, and yeah. So I think no error. That's good, and we have referenced that. Good. Previously we haven't referenced that, so it will be a gray color. So yeah, I think so far so good. I'm going to check whether it can compile or not. Okay, I think it's a good time to go back to our Unity engine. We click the player prefab, and we got shake effects. So of course we're going to switch it on, and don't forget you need to switch off the enemy effects. So we get enemy 0, and yeah, this is prefab, and is beating damage. Have shake effects, do not have a shake effect. Okay, these do not have a shake effects. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, no complaint, and I got a really good feeling about this, so let's see whether we shake or not. Yep, we're not shaking, which is extremely weird, because we're supposed to shake the camera a bit. So it got to be something wrong with the code. So let's do a quick debug and look at the console. Okay, I think I don't seem to find anything wrong with the code. So I think we haven't applied that to our camera. So sorry about that. So I'm going to select the main camera. Yep, you just got the audio listener without actually including the script. So shake effects and main camera, right? Going to apply that to it. So shake effects, and I think when I actually want to get the component, we just automatically get the component. So let's try to do that. Component and shake effects. Yeah, we can actually get hold of it. So yeah, let's try this again. Okay, but no guarantee. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Let me show you. So where I got hit and the whole camera shake is really good effect, and I think it's maybe a little bit too good, and the shaking, this magnitude is just too much. So the player definitely going to feel that. Oh, sorry, you just got hit, and I think the shake is just too much. Okay, I'm going to decrease the magnitude a bit by decreasing the magnitude from 2 maybe to 1, and the duration maybe decrease that to 0.2, just decrease that a lot, and then I'm going to test that. If I'm pretty satisfied with the result, I'm going to change that in the code. So basically, the amazing thing about serialized field is that you can quickly test it out and find the best results. And once you're pretty satisfied with the results, you can yeah, this is a less magnitude shake, and I think that's already pretty good. Okay, just a little bit of shake, so you can actually if you are, say, building a mobile game, you like it to, say, maybe shake the mobile phone, something like that, or if you are building a console game, you might want to shake the place controller. Okay, I think that looks pretty good, and we already achieved what we set out to do. So basically, you're going to using this camera to get the components, because we already attached that to it, and to call our shake effects and start our shake effects coroutine. And we got here shake effects start coroutine, and we got our enumerator. And when the shake time hasn't reached to the shake effects duration that you set, you're going to shake X and Y axis of the camera, and of course reach just update that to your new position. This is a debug code. You don't necessarily need that. You can just say transform dot position equals to this bunch. I do that is because I want to say using the debug log to print it out to see whether the code actually got executed. But it turns out is that I haven't touched that. I always forgot how to attach that. So I spent a lot of time reviewing the script, but in fact you need to review whether you attach it or not. Yeah, it's just a silly mistake. Yeah, so I think we pretty much finished the shaking effects, and we're going to adding some. I think I'm going to add some animation to it because right now the llama is not actually moving. Just you can control the position, but you can not control the camera's move. The llama's say the animation. We already talked about the state machine, so I think I'm going to draw the sprite myself and maybe edit this myself. And when I finish with the drawing at my Large Digital Art channel, I'm going to use the original sprite rather than use AI to do it. AI is like a crunches, okay? So you can use that to quickly generate things and verify some ideas. And once you are satisfied with the results, you can use the help of the artificial intelligence, but adding your own originality to it, and then make your own game that's completely from scratch. This is an amazing process. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you think my video is helpful, please give this video a thumb up. And if you got any suggestions or anything you want to say to me, please in the comment section. I read every comment and I update video every day. I really need your help to reach the monetization hurdle. So please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.